Good afternoon, country people. Them plenty glad for meet up una again for this chapter for Tori. Chapter by chapter, now we go give una Tori for this side. One of we strong number them this afternoon. Now for inside some quarter, where they call them say Kumba. Now for Bonaberry side, where they meet up some 36-year-old woman where he don't die. According to Tori, where he enter for we hear the woman be already run house. He be the stay now he one as we talk say a spirit e dey for inside their own family house. We go talk that chapter this morning time this afternoon. Now so too we go take una we go for that side. So from Banga we dey hear say from toll gate from Banga so tey you enter for Banga town sef light e never dey there for the past 2 weeks. So tey now people dem from Banga they never sabi wetin wey dey really pass wey light e never enter for inside dem cartier. Now so sef we go take una enter for this other palava where we hear say one person he don't die, woman he don't disappear for hospital bed. Then they try for tell we say this one now after where they catch some man where he be there with another man woman now for inside motor for side from Dogbong where this one it happen. But last as they choke the man we hear say the man last die for hospital. The woman will be there with he as we Tori enter for we ear they be carry go to for hospital but he don't disappear for hospital bed just now as we Tori enter for we ear. All that Tori them plus even newspaper them where they dey for inside we own Tori house. Now we'll go bring am for now this afternoon. Big part talk it tell we say na only poor person it the fit for use open mimbo for Ngando place. The same na poor person it the fit use for open mimbo for Ngando place. Na Ngoran Gilio aka Erasmus na he send we big part talk for this Monday. At the turn back small time. Good afternoon again, country people them. Before we enter for we Tori in the proper, according to Tori where they enter for we here for side for Boyan, na some 24-year-old girl where they call am say Agua, some 24-year-old girl where Tori enter we here, Genevieve Agua, where they say he die for that side so for Sosoliso, now for inside the Moliko for Boya, according to Tori where enter we here, now for 7:30 yesterday where the girl it be the waka for road. According to way population they talk, they say that this uniform motor wey be the run with plenty speed e jam this girl so tey e kill am. 24-year-old girl wey they call am Genevieve Agua e don die just now. E dey for hospital bed. For this side for Bonaberry Douala na quarter wey they call am say Kumba quarter for Bonaberry where people they wake up this morning time now with some kind of what smell where it don't wake up people them all for outside. This one now smell for person where it don't die where the people them for quarter sef they no be sabi at all. As we Tori enter for we ear this woman in name where they call am Rosalind Law. It be the she done one for inside this household. This una the same so for far away. Now the house that where Rosalind Law it be the she done for them. They say if you don't run come up for your own house, a house where parent and mommy them and papa they she done. According to it, they say he talk say evil spirits it dey for inside the house. So it be the stay na E1 inside the house. They say this ngondere it is sell chop and as well it is sell chop. No man no sabi this last see on Friday. Since Friday now only today where they can discover say this girl where they call am say Rosalie Law. He don't die 36-year-old. So till now no man inside that quarter he no fit for talk wait way he really do am but sabi say papa for the pikin or that's so the talk the papa for that girl as so here he talk say the girl he no be the she done again for inside the house for plenty time now. Make we hear wait way one of the neighbor them for this girl he talk for we man Chief Robert Mukube.
It be the good church. I think I was saying that the church bring the problem for you and Imami. So now the church make say dinner say no fit done with Imami no because Imami the talk say anytime you begin the talk say he dey na they vote for inside his skin they vote for the house. Surely not the church because the problem. He want carry for your house I not be know it for before. I say he dey for us so I don't know it. I don't know say I get my neighbor. I want couple with already come. I go see say okay. As you come so you don't first go down the go police, you go call police, you go call Sapeur Pompier. They say no, they don't really get the information. So they wait, make the headmaster can get the order so they can take their body go. Since now, if you don't even call them back now, there's so many we wait that, so many we not we wait they wait them for the play we day, then we can't reach for them. So we still wait them.
And just so sabi say something now, before one enter for Tori house, we hear say they never so commode that die body, so you fit imagine smell for inside the Kumba Aquatam na for Bonaberry. Another chapter we go enter for day just now na Palava for Light, country people them with the USA population for Banga, plenty of the population them as we dey comot for place where they call am say waiting for inside side where they call am Banga. As soon as they see this motor so wey dey so motor sesep e turn up country people them, they say na motor wey carry pole them wey e comot for side wey they call am say Douala, but they talk say plenty of the pole them na old pole there wey they comot for Douala, they wan can put am for inside Banga. And must make we enter for this other chapter for people then say they suffer for Sika Palava for inside this arraignment. Sabi say for Sika Palava we light e no dey for inside Banga. Plenty people they dey wey they suffer things them they know the work are finding the normal as we pole themselves they don't throw away for ground. This one na high tension pole wey e throw away for. Make we take this interview.
More than a week today, we'll never get light. We dey suffer light. Light they go on and off for week for here. We'll not even get light. Poles they don't fall. Right up to my door for here now. So since we pole before, the cable said if they on top zinc. They even to say be risky. If it be life, it can sometimes so until the house even burn. So therefore, here so we suffer for Palava light.
For here in Banga for here, when light is way for here, own a photo. Every fall, we could make with like a 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month before we get light. So we suffer from Banga here for Paya, Banga Paya, we suffer for here over for Palava light.
For that, if they call like 1 month, they don't even get time. But now electric bill, you see they give you high bill. And then understand that somebody one Ghana fee for more time because light no day. All the money they add for Grand Qatar because na Kanga they use and then I can't pay electric bill again. Normally, pay no be even go she don't stay for 1 day they don't get light because the highest way they get money for government.
Married not 2 months. For year without no lie, me I be wait. I see my clothes. I know the work, but they can't ask tax every day. They can't ask tax every day. Man go do wow. Lie no day.
We go take on now. We enter for different palava for this afternoon. Now palava for some accident to be passed. Now for that side, so for Bonaberry. As soon as see that motor sesep e run, e lost control, e go jam. Now for under that place for on top small bridge, on top small flyover, where e dey for side for Bonaberry side. No ask me whether the man be the drink before he drive so they go jam motor so for that side. But the only two will be fit for show now this palava. We never fit for talk. If the man sesep, e be get caught. But if they push motor, e dey show say the man e dey fine now for that side so for inside Bonaberry where this accident it happen. Another one where we talk now, this one will be passed for place where they call am say a Bonduma for side for Boya where a taxi to increase a chapie po for current for on top road. It be there yesterday Sunday. It make am motor themselves they no be fit for waka for that side so for Bonduma. Now good heart people themselves they be stand up for the whole current them or the rope where they check say current you know they pass on top before it dey so. All these people them try for the pass with their motor, but for the short time where that pole it be cut and where drop they be there for down small traffic it be happen for that side so for Bonduma as we motor them they no be fit for waka. All the motor they be the fear say if current pass on top them skin now themselves it go shock them for inside motor so way it no be there at all for some half time for that side so for Bonduma. Sabi say after some half time last the population the boy they be the hold that rope for up to make other motor they pass. Then to their hand tire they be find some solution where they be take commode the rope them push the taxi and even the pole for one side inside Bonduma as we una see am for image. Just now we go take una we talk this other palava na palava for waiting inside we own country sese we take una we talk this palava for side wey dey call am say Douala and this one na palava wey dey so I talk for na say from Dogbong side they wake up this morning time to for meet up some diamond some boy wey dey talk say he be na mechanic na the workman he place that wey dey talk say the boy he be comot yesterday night with some woman wey e no be dey na a woman they be the chop soya for inside motor different boy they can chuk am so they died as so they carry and go for hospital. The woman wey they take am to go hospital they say e don disappear. We go turn back on top this chapter maybe when we go turn back tomorrow na just in the that way they pass inside Douala here as we una sabi. Grand Tango Sesep number 9 shirt e be there for inside Douala this weekend we just finish am. E waka be start na for Mpopi market where e be born. E go see the Benin people the way their Benin place e be born. Then e she done too for Elekam Sumon Dongamen with them. Last Dongamen for Grand Tango e be there na for inside governor office Samuel Jodone Ivaha Dibois. For that side Grand Tango e try for talk Okada people them make they look out the way they work. And na so too you don't talk head boy them for political party them make them dey responsible for sika wetin say for if they don't talk say make they do their ndongamen make they look out say all thing happen. If DO deny say make the ndongamen no happen e dey show say DO if you don't see say some thing e go pass so make the party people them they no take am with a bad heart as so Grand Tango e talk am. Na so too e don't talk to for Okada people them say make they try for respect commander them and make people them wey they get party them wey they want make their meeting them make they sabi any decision wey they take commander wey comot e no comot na for sake say they want baha them but na job for sake say they want make security for happen inside that Douala as we Grand Tango e talk am. And sabi say now today for 4 o'clock for that side so for Boya Synod office where they go vote new moderator but before Dongamen say one pass now for inside church wey all thing happen. Governor for Southwest e be there so any Southwest see as security turn up sabi say head boy for region 2 e be answer present. Oga Bernard Okalia Bilai e be there as so e dey so they start this palava for Synod where e be there na palava where they get for see as so they go vote new people them where they go look at PCC for the next mandate and the big prayer will happen. This new synod they dey na for under peace and unity na the trunk talk that so governor Sesep e be answer present as we dey so PCC people they start their own arraignment. Governor be enter inside church with all eta major them uniform people they be dey all corner for CC make all thing e waka fine as we Tori Sesep e enter for inside we here 4 o'clock we go sabi whether na Reverend Funky Samuel or Reverend Jones Ayuk. Now he go be moderator or synod clerk Reverend Mickey Hans or Reverend Mukokom Bue Thomas 4 o'clock. Now we order for them. They go happen. Now inside Kumba as we Tori enter for we EM population them for Kumba they don't sit down inside their house as soon as sabi today na Monday there were plenty of the people then Sesep they dinner for inside one place as we Tori enter for inside we hear country people them all man in the fear for come out for outside sabi say Monday them for inside that northwest southwest it don't be na day with no man know the comot Okada know the comot moto know the waka so all place it just dey quiet as we Tori enter for inside we EM this afternoon. We go take una just now we enter for this other palava maybe Amos you don't surely see that photo sabi say it be hot for Lakentini this morning time as we nurse them and doctor them Sesep they don't make waka for vex for inside hospital. This one now just for vex on top palava say they are tin them they know the look of them fine like doctor them pay you know they come for time even the palava they change level all that kind of thing they know they come for time so doctor them and nurse them they be the vex this morning time and the vex it be there now only inside hospital for that side so for Lakentini this morning time. Dambatori for this afternoon we talk palava for Mandamba team. We Mandamba team Sesepa yesterday for side where they call them say Rwanda country people them. They be knock Rwanda 1-0. Now number 2 day for this Ndamba where they play for see which country it go come for the big Ndamba SSF where it go happen for Cameroon for 2021. Cameroon it be end not for first half, but sabi say Cameroon last score last when Mumi Ngemale is score for Cameroon. Plenty they be don't talk say this yellow jersey, yellow clothes na Balok, but last the yellow clothes na igi Antonio Conceição so they glad say if people that don't score sabi say for 3 match where the Parliament don't play he don't win 1 and he don't draw 2. So Cameroon they play them. We hear say they will come for Douala some before they start Chakara go for their different club there they play them. So after now sabi say the next people there Cameroon go play them it go be na Mozambique. Sabi say just now Mozambique, Cape Verde, them two they get for knock their own Ndamba for sabi who it go dey for on top. But first sabi say Mozambique as well knock Rwanda they be there on top before number 2 day for this Ndamba wey happen yesterday. Inside we country SSF country people them Elite 1 Ndamba to be passed Ebidena yesterday. PWD 1, Takers 1, Avion 3, Young Sport Academy 2, Apejes 1, Bambutus 1, Fufu 1, Canon 2, UMS North, Column North, Ndamba Soso continue for number 7 day. The other result them IS Fortuna North, Feche 2, Dragon North, Panther 1, Stade Renard 2, Aiding Football Club for Lekie North, Union and Cotton Sport their own Ndamba, they don't put them for another day. Make we hear just now or we see waiting to a newspaper them they get for talk for we for this morning time or this afternoon. Guidance post way they outside this afternoon waiting or the Star newspaper way they outside for this afternoon. Inside the Star newspaper it tell we palaver for a vote for 2020 opposition party people they talk say may they talk for them, may they tell them say security it go day before this arraignment it happen. Sabi say Pani John Frundi he don't talk say as we Amber they talk say may they no vote make them say enter vote them plenty so that they go plenty for parliament so that when they come out no commander or no bill they no go fit for talk am. Sabi say PAP and CPP they don't talk say they no go enter. Amadu Aidwe die body too they don't talk again say may they bring the die body for inside country according to way the Star newspaper they tell we Cabral Libi he don't glad plenty on top that bill where they don't put am for parliament. Palava people the way they one talk say you know be my countryman and no go help you and they talk some kind of hate talk for people them. The Star newspaper it carry order to read them where you fit for read them. Make we enter just now for inside the Median newspaper where they outside Median they tell we after we uniform their own side they never fit for make them peace number for Northwest and Southwest. Median it tell we say Kunkuma just now it don't send another people them for go make peace for ground zero. Now be these people them and waiting be the message and who they get for here till they get for Kai and go top. You fit answer and read that story for the Median plus Fako CPDM. Now who is the top way all man the here na Nalova Lyonga or na who you fit read them for inside the Median. Municipal update they don't make them special status. You ain't no sabi to a mean they don't make and say make you understand and fine. Now so how they go make peace on Northwest and Southwest. Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute he don't send people them for go make peace for Northwest and Southwest. Other strong number them you fit for read them for municipal update wey dey outside this afternoon. The Horizon wey dey outside too they tell we after national man-to-man talk e pass Ngomna he don't send people them for go back for Northwest and Southwest for try for make peace. Special status wetin e mean you go hear wetin wey Barrister Paul Simo e talk am for Horizon newspaper. Other tori them you fit for read am for Horizon newspaper wey dey outside. Logidion e tell we number 2 peace ndongamen for Paris wey just finish. They say France and Papa for Roma a country. Vatican then say they don't start look inside the palava for Northwest and Southwest for see as well they go help and make it finish. Waiting he make Kani John Frundi he turn back for vote for 2020. Logi John he get that answer and now which kind of style Bamenda people they don't put them for say they no tip them go hide them again. You feel read them inside Logi John newspaper for this afternoon. We enter for another newspaper for we before we dey outside na the Voice newspaper. Inside the Voice newspaper, if you read chapter for Nkunkuma and for Peace Ndongamen for inside Paris, they tell we as well this Peace Ndongamen in make people them hear all kind of thing them. Palava for Anglophone where they want try for put them inside different country fashion and other thing them. If you read them for inside the Voice will tell we wait Chris Anu Imami we get 80 years. It talk for inside court for inside military court for that side so for Yawende as well people they come up for can hear you. You feel reach other tongue number them inside the Voice newspaper as we go buy them for read them. We enter to for this other newspaper we there for we before now the Post newspaper they tell we after national man-to-man talk. Bishop then says just now they don't talk say make all the mayor them senator and even MP them honor them where they don't run may they go take by force pension. Southwest governor in name Sesep he did for the Post newspaper after national man-to-man talk now so too he don't talk back for Anglophone politician them for sika waiting say them Sesep they know the hell for things that for happen. PCC Christian them too church people them Sesep they wait now today they go see the white smoke for who he go dey moderator for inside them church. Other tongue number them you fit for read them for the Post newspaper we dey outside. Make we take una we enter for another newspaper we dey for we before this afternoon. The Sun newspaper inside the Sun they tell we vote for get new moderator for inside PCC. They say Reverend Funky Samuel he dey sure say they go vote it back as well Mickey Hans now he go surely be the new senior clerk as well the Sun newspaper talk inside the Sun newspaper too. They tell we after national man-to-man talk peace people them governor don't send father them inside people them for go try for make peace e dey for Northwest and Southwest. To me Nkea without the people them they name them we don't see them they say they go outside for go talk palava special status where they don't know things way e dey inside according to it with the Sun e talk you feel read other thing them inside the Sun newspaper for outside. We go enter just now for Cameroon inside that way dey outside today inside Cameroon inside that they tell we as so Nkunkuma don't turn back after we she done for France for Peace Ndongamen. People then talk for ye come good plenty as we Cameroon inside that talk for we now so today they tell we say people them they already start for prepare for this vote for 2020 inside number 9 day for February moon we get for pass. Other tongue to read them you go read them for Cameroon inside them. Eden newspaper now the last one that was the guidance post where it dey outside too. They tell we after national man-to-man talk Chief Dr. Joseph Adjongute he don't start for make peace he turn back for Northwest and Southwest. On top this palava special people them they dey outside just now. If you read to read where they talk right Reverend Funky he too he dey prepare for the remain like moderator and Reverend Babila Fonchang he don't come out he no go be senior clerk again as well the guidance post he dey talk other tongue number them you fit for read them for inside the guidance post where he dey outside this afternoon. Last we enter for Eden newspaper where they tell we say Archbishop Fontaine Eswa and other people them they don't already talk for thing way e get for happen as well they dey for outside just now for make people them understand which way mean special status and for make people them turn back for their own place. You feel read to read palava parliament too we don't try for look inside this bill where they don't talk say now for punish people there they use hate talk for people them and talk say you know be my countryman. All that to read them plus other one them you feel for read them for Eden newspaper where it dey outside this afternoon. Now to read them that we will bring them for now for this side. So for inside the Equinox Tori House we want to say big thank you for Amos Fungo. We get even Francis Boyum we make you hear my voice for outside. Malice it be the hell to make you look am for Facebook and it go make am you see me for YouTube. Now so for a some time una hold am tight.